Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to make a journal on Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Canva app or a website version and click on the search bar. Now type in the keyword journal on Canva and wait for the images or the results to load. Now you can create a journal that would fit you. Now you can see the name of this one is a gratitude journal. So if you're looking to design a type of journal, you can draw inspirations from here or just edit any of these beautiful templates here to your choice. But if you want, you can see some are just cover journals and some are actually the journals themselves. So this is a gratitude journal where you get to write everything you're gratitude you are grateful for. I'm very sorry for that, guys. Honestly, that was not my intention. So everything you are grateful for here, you can search for that and write. This is daily gratitude journal. You can also edit this and make it yours. So these are very beautiful journals here. You also have your this is an expense tracker, which is also a journal in a way. So we have a whole lot of journals to choose from here, and these are just beautiful. We have this personal journal where we can edit it and make it ours. This even has all the days of the month. So if you're looking for something that combines the monthly habit tracker with your personal journal, you should go for something like this: healthy habits personal journal. So it just depends on what you key in the search bar and how long and far you're willing to go for that particular journal that will speak to you. Then once you've selected a journal, you can go ahead to edit that journal and make it yours. And that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video and have a great day. Peace.